Hey folks, Joyce here, Certified Health Coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we are celebrating Earth Month by exploring a new old whole grain called millet. And it may look slightly familiar to you guys because it looks like bird seeds. And that's because you're right, it is bird seeds. But hold up, because this seed has been around for centuries and it has been eaten in China before rice, okay? So this is not just for the birds, it's for the humans too. And the plant looks like this in real life, and it is a seed, not a whole grain, but it is classified as a whole grain, just like a cucumber is classified as a vegetable as opposed to a fruit, okay? So this plant is amazing because it grows a lot and it can withstand droughts, and it is very efficient in its water usage, and also it has a lot of health benefits, all right? So let's get started on how to cook millet. What you're gonna need is a fine mesh strainer, a pot with a tight fitting lid, 1 part millet, 2 parts water. In this case, I have 1 cup of millet and 2 cups of water. First, let's work on our water. So it comes to a boil, go ahead and pour that 2 parts water, set it on high heat, and cover it so it boils quickly. Second step is just rinse it off using your shower head on your faucet. Now that the water is boiling, let's go ahead and put the millet in and use a fork to stir it up. Have it come to a boil. It's going to happen quickly. All right, now that it's come to a boil, let's go ahead and cover it and lower the heat to medium-low. Set the timer for 20 minutes. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos as soon as they come out, or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. All right, let's turn off that heat, uncover it, and let's fluff it up. Okay, and then we'll set it aside for 10 minutes. Our millet has been resting for about 10 minutes, and let's go ahead and portion it off on our plate. So for any grains or starches, it is half a cup. All right, and this is what it's gonna look like on the plate, taking about a little over than a quarter cup of a plate. 1 cup of dried millet is about 3 cups of cooked millet. Isn't that amazing? All right, y'all, here is our cooked millet, and as you can tell, it is nice and fluffy. It actually smells a little bit like popcorn, and this gets me excited because it looks like couscous, and this is a lot more nutritious than couscous, so I'm going to be using this in my Moroccan dishes in the future. And also, this has 45% more protein than brown rice, if you can believe it. So let me go ahead and taste it. It definitely is comparable to rice, so please consider this as part of your whole grains options, okay? Let me put that down. All right, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned. Next week, we're gonna wrap up this series for Earth Month. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.